YouTube. I've got a tragic tendency to overcomplicate things and have things blow up on me and have a simple thing turn into a 3-day excursion. But today, I hope that's not gonna happen. I just want to install a freaking toilet paper holder. Can we do that? Can the gods of DIY smile down upon me today? And not strike me down where I stand? Let's find out. This is a Delta toilet paper holder from their PHOEBE collection. So I'm thinking of mounting it to the side of the cabinet right here next to the bidet. And to everyone's shock and surprise, I'm actually going to use the manual this time. The reason is because it has a nice template for our hole pattern. We're going to put it where we want it. We're going to use the level here and make sure we're not doing anything crooked. Let's put some tape on it, get it ready. That looks like the middle to me, actually. I'm going to use the level. That's not so bad. Okay. Let's mark our holes. These are drywall screws. Not going to use them, obviously. Mounting brackets and wood screws. Where you see up, this is the front of the plate. Okay, I'm gonna go get some drill bits. 7/64 or 1/8 will probably do. Larger bit. Too large! It's P2. Can we do this already? It's a fucking toilet paper holder. Come on. Alright, so they've got these spring mechanisms here. What you do is bring it in from the bottom. There's a little tab here at the bottom. You bring that into the spring, hook it onto the spring, and then just a little bit of effort slides up and over. Now it's tight. Spring, up, over, and it's in. And aligned. Why don't we put on a toilet paper roll in here? Ooh, I like this. Well then, that was surprisingly pain-free. Thank you. I hope this has been helpful. Remember to like if it was useful, like if it was useless, and remember, destroy that subscribe button.